discussed, with the cap of $2,500 for the primary remission. And then why you've got some red line there is that we've just been thinking about making sure we get exactly the right words into that, but the new text is shown there without the strike through, and you get the table 3, which shows you the secondary remission. And then we give people a very kind of step-by-step formula for calculating remissions, and then over on the page you'll see a big table. It's a daunting table at the beginning, but once you then kind of work through and see that actually it's just showing a whole bunch of different examples of somebody who gets no remission, somebody who gets $193 remission, somebody who gets $850 remission, and somebody who gets $2,600 remission. So this is the formal summary that we propose, and then when you turn the page, you can see the actual consultation form. The first half of it is a whole bunch of, kind of important information we need. In fact, what we ask, the single question we ask is, do you generally support or oppose the proposed transitional remissions policy? Support or oppose, and then we leave space for people to make their comments.